Here at CES 2026, I had an out-of-body experience, no drugs required, because I got to test out the new anti-gravity A1 drone. So there's the drone, right? And they couldn't fly too much because it was at like a media event, but it'll go up. You'll see. And it is super easy to control. He's just kind of point and go. He's got the remote in his right hand there. You can see, but he's also got these goggles. And the goggles are what are going to make this really fascinating. So you put the goggles on. This is Robert Scoble, actually, with the goggles on. You can see what he's seeing there. And what's cool, and I did this too, right? What's cool is as you turn, because it's got an 8K 360-degree camera in this drone, you can see everything. And when you turn, the drone doesn't have to turn. You are just turning, and the drone stays in place unless you also tell the drone to turn. But because it's got this 8K video, 360 video, you just get to turn your head and see whatever you want to see. And it was very bizarre looking down upon myself, extremely out of body. So this is the anti-gravity A1 drone. The price point is it depends, somewhere between $15.99 US and $19.99 US, depending on what bundle you get. And all that stuff. But definitely check it out, antigravity.tech, and we'll put a link, of course, in the description and all that here. Stay subscribed, because we are here at CES filtering through the noise to find all these gems so that you can just get to learn about the cool stuff and you don't have to filter through the noise. So stay subscribed to the show, of course, but also to check out our playlist, our CES 2026 playlist. And of course, none of this would be possible without our CES 2026 coverage sponsors. So give them some love too. Thank you so much for watching. Let us know what you think. Stay subscribed and don't get caught.